If you're interested about buying a new GPU this month or soon, then this video is for you. A lot of good GPUs are launching recently. Like NVIDIA has launched its 5000 series GPU. AMD is gonna launch its Rx9070 and Rx9070 XT version. So the battle is gonna be huge. Hello there, how are you? I'm Siddharth here. So when 5000 series launch, like 5070 and 5070 Ti, the enthusiasts and gamers gone crazy because of the amount of crazy specs and crazy output it has promised everyone. But 5070 did not cut out for all the hype. After the launch of 5000 series GPU, DeepSeek came. If you don't know about DeepSeek, DeepSeek is a generative tool like ChatGPT, but it requires less power. When DeepSeek proved the point that with a lot less power you can do amazing things, Nvidia stock dropped crazy low. Nvidia has never seen such a dip in their stock price before that. It's not a stock market channel, so let's not talk about all the stocks and stuff. Let's go into the tech again. Nvidia is in another shakeup because AMD is stepping up with a good GPU at a lower price. AMD is gonna launch Rx9070 and Rx9070 XT this month. Many prominent YouTube channel and many prominent tech reviewer got their hands on new AMD GPU and they're reviewing it. It's seen that the performance gap between Rx9070 and RTX 5070 is huge. And even though RTX 5070 Ti, which is Nvidia's flagship GPU, cost $1000 around, AMD's $700 GPU is going head to head with $1000 GPU of NVIDIA. Sounds crazy, right? But it's the truth. $700 RX 9070 is close to NVIDIA's 5070 Ti, which is $300 more. If we see in the past, we can see AMD is getting beaten by NVIDIA because of their upscaling capability, but not anymore. Now AMD has bring their new FSR 4, which is compatible to the newest DLSS of NVIDIA. We can say that AMD is just a one generation behind NVIDIA. AMD is closing up, so NVIDIA needs to spike up their game. Otherwise, they will lose market share to AMD. But there's a catch. AMD's GPU is still not catching up with NVIDIA's GPU in productivity. If you use Adobe Premiere Pro or if you use Blender, AMD is not catching up with NVIDIA right now. If you're buying a GPU for productivity reasons, have a pause there. It is not as good as NVIDIA's GPU, but you can still work on it. It is a workable GPU, but it is not the best one. If you are focusing more on the productivity side, then you need to buy the NVIDIA's GPU without thinking twice. But if you are in a tight budget and looking for a good GPU for your gaming, then you can buy AMD's 9070 XT, or if your budget is a little low, then you can buy the AMD's 9070. Still, both of them are really good one. Are you an AMD fan or an NVIDIA fan? Let me know in the comments below. See you again in the next one. Tada.